Hello, welcome to Money Tips Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that you can earn a passive income by performing survey and also playing games in order to earn some rewards out of it. So without much ado, guys, let's proceed. So the app is called Pound App. Yes, so as you can see on your screen, this is the interface of the app. And with the app, once you install and sign up to it, you can perform surveys. That is, when you turn on your permission, the app permission and also notification, you'll be prompted with a survey. If you qualify for that survey, then you perform it and you'll be rewarded for that. And if you look here, we have offers. The offers has to do with installing games and also performing some surveys to gain some passive money. That is what it's all about. So as you can see here, the offers has to do with games. It's all about games. So any game at all that you think you can install and play, you install and you do what you play. Yes, that is basically what this app is about. And also, if you come over here, you can see, let's go to the home page. If you come here, you can see the internet sharing. You can share your internet traffic and also earn some money out of that. You can share it, but before you share your internet traffic, you have to make sure that you turn on these two signs, then you'll be good to go. Then if you come down here, we have spin. Every 24 hours you'll be given a free spin to spin. So this is how the spin looks like. So once you spin, you can get any of these items. The moment you get the finger crossed, it means that you have to try again. But if you have points also, you can see points here. If you have 10 points, you can spin again. So let's try with a spin and let's see for today what we're going to get. So as you can see, they gave me, I had 5 points. So 5 points has been given to me. So it means that I've exhausted my spend for the day. So as you can see, I have to wait for 24 hours, but here it's indicated 23 hours. Then I'll get another free spin. And once you share your internet also for 24 hours, you get another free spin for that section. So basically, that is how the app is. And if you check over here also, I can see my earnings so far. Let's check my earnings. The minimum payout amount is $5, as you can see over here. So if you check my history, you can see the tax that I've performed and also the amount that has been credited to my account. Yes, so if you check here, I've done a survey of $2.52 and also sharing of my internet connection. I have 31 cents and also offers, that's playing game. I don't normally play games, and also gift from referrals. Okay, and they are saying some upcoming earnings. Okay, so once you hit the threshold of $5, you can request for a payout. So based with a payout session, based on the country that you are from, they'll give you the payment method that you can choose. So from Ghana, you can choose Bitcoin, Payoneer, and then also Visa gift cards. So these are very simple methods that once you hit the threshold, you can get your money paid out through these methods. So let's get back. And also, though, you can also share your referral link. So let's come to community. If you come to the community right here, you can share your referral link for others to, you copy your referral link, you share it for others, for your friends and others to also join. That is by installing the app. It's good from Play Store and iOS. That is Apple Store. Yes. So guys, this is a very simple way of gaining a passive income. So the link will be dropped in my video description. If you're on YouTube, check my video description. The link has been pasted there. Click on it and install the app. If you are on TikTok, check on my profile, my bio, click on my YouTube link, and then it will take you to my YouTube channel. When you see this video, just go directly to the description and then click on the link that will lead you to installing of this app. Thank you and see you.